So thank you for the question. To clean before the food is same as everything. When we clean our food, we clean every step we take, we clean our water, we clean the nature, we clean all and everything. The most important thing when we wanna be vegan or vegetarian or whatever, doesn't matter, when we have toxic thoughts, we don't have a possibility to nourish ourselves when we have toxic thoughts. There is no way to be safe or to be healthy. So you can eat very well, the beautiful, best food, and when you have toxic thoughts, it will not nourish your body. So you can eat everything, but you can be the loveliest person in the world, and you will be healthy. And otherwise, you can eat vegan and have bad thoughts, and you will not be healthy. So clean your thoughts, and then you clean your food, you clean your burger, and you clean everything, and you will be fine.